The Berlin Wall constructed started on 1961. It was a boarded concrete barrier that physically divided the Berlin from 1961 to 1989. Construction of the wall was connected the German Republic, Democratic Republic. The wall cut off West Berlin from East Berlin in 9th November 1989.
First, fall of Berlin Wall. The division of Germany into West Federal Republic of Germany and East German Democratic Republic led to glaring differences in living standards. West Berlin's economy became prosperous thanks to the support received from the West under the Marshall Plan. In contrast, the USSR had little interest in developing the economy of East Berlin. Further, people in the East Berlin suffered from lack of democracy and freedom. Therefore, people in East Berlin moved to West Berlin in large numbers. In West Berlin, on the other hand, there was a fear that the Soviets could use military force to take West Berlin. End of Cold War era. East Germany began to construct a wall in 1961 which virtually cut off West Berlin from East Berlin and the surrounding of East German areas. It was heavily guarded with watchtowers and other lethal impediments to stop people from the east. In the late 1980s, as USSR hold over Eastern European countries was weakening, a mass of people assembled on 9th November 1989 on both sides of the wall and began to demolish it. Germany was officially reunited on 3rd October 1990. The Berlin Wall was more than just physical barrier. It was a symbolic boundary between communism and capitalism. With the fall of Berlin Wall, followed by collapse of Soviet Union, the Cold War era came to an end. Disintegration of Soviet Union. In the 1970s and early 1980s, the Soviet Union continued to retain a strong and dominant position in the international politics. However, its economy was suffering and was unable to match the productive capacity of the First World. In 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev took over as head of the USSR. Gorbachev spoke about the need of openness and reform. But the commitment to reform, apart from opposition within the ruling Communist Party, did not match the resources available to USSR. In the middle of 1980s, about 1/3 of the total GDP was going to the military. In order to maintain a parity with US in the context of British Reagan's Star Wars program, it's become necessary for the Soviet Union to allocate more funds to the military. The increase in military budget further strained the Soviet economy. Protest in Baltic Seas. The year of 1988 saw the first mass protest, first Armenia and then in the Baltic states. Earlier, Soviet regimes had used severe repressions to quell such uprisings. Gorbachev could not take recourse to such brutal measures. The Chernobyl disaster, a major accident in a nuclear plant in Ukraine in 1986, was another blow. Gorbachev made moves to stabilize his position by reliance on conservative forces in 1989 and 1991. But on each occasion, he was interrupted by massive miners' strike, which came close to cripple the country's energy supplies. The East European communist states under Soviet umbrella were also a deep economic and social crisis. Gorbachev's decision to loosen the Soviet control on the countries of Eastern Europe created an independent democratic momentum. A series of workers' strikes undermined the communist regimes, first in Poland and then in Hungary. A wave of demonstration that swept East Germany led to demolition of the Berlin Wall in 1989. Elstine. Elstine was first an ally of Gorbachev. However, as mayor of Moscow, Elstine won great popularity as a champion of political and economic freedom. With Gorbachev's introduction of democratic elections for the Soviet parliament, Elstine was returned to power with overwhelming support of Moscow constituency in 1989. The following year, he was elected President of Russia over Gorbachev's objections. President Elstine advocated greater autonomy of the Russian Republic with executive presidential system that would allow him to govern independently of parliament. End of Gorbachev rule. Gorbachev made a last attempt to take hard line against the disruptionists, only the challenged by second great miners' strike in 1991 and huge demonstration in Moscow. In response, conservative forces in his government attempted to take a hard line without Gorbachev. They used troops in Moscow to stage a coup and held Gorbachev under house arrest. But the other military units refused to back them, and the result power fell into the hands of Boris Elstine, a reformer backed by the West. Establishment of Commonwealth independent state. In the meantime, 3 Baltic states had formally left the Soviet Union. They were admitted to the UN independent countries Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. In November 1991, 11 republics Ukraine, Georgia, Belarus, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan announced secession from Soviet Union. Instead, they declared they would establish Commonwealth of Independent State. On 25th December, Gorbachev announced his resignation. For 6th day, the Soviet Union continued to exist only in name, and at midnight on December 31st, 1991, it was formally dissolved. The USSR was no more. Thank you, students.